Hello my friends, how you guys doing? Welcome once again to our channel. Alright, so in this beautiful morning we're gonna dive deep into cryptocurrency to see what is going on in the market. Alright, so in today's video guys, we're going to show you exactly what you need to expect, from the current movement of Bitcoin, and why you need to pay attention to this particular setup that is forming. All right, because this setup can change everything that is associated to Bitcoin. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, please kindly subscribe to this channel and smash that like button to like this video, guys. Share with your friends as we dive down into the Bitcoin chart properly. All right, guys, so how are you guys doing? Now, if you followed our video last time, we were here and I told you guys that we are coming down. You can see exactly that the market actually broke and now we came down. So now what is actually going on is something that you need to pay very good attention to. Now we've seen this is a wave and this is a wave. So we have 1, 2, 3 guys. We have this wave that is forming here. Okay, so we can label it this way to see if this wave is completed. Now you see everything here is moving correctly and in a kind of a channel, so which is coming to an end. You can see now for the first time this channel is broken here, guys. So we've seen that this is one wave. Okay, we've seen this to be 1, 2, 3. So what it 1, 2, 3. So we've seen that it's like this wave is completed, guys. This wave is completed. So maybe currently now there will be a push up like this. All right, there will be a push-up. So let's dive down to see when is this push-up happening. Now, two ways we can expect this. If you scroll up and go to lower time frame like 15 minutes, because this is giving us a kind of corrective complex structure. So we can see obviously that this spike up now is actually, it's changing the whole structure. So we're expecting this to complete, okay, with this is the wave 1, 2, 3. So we're expecting this to actually break this low, guys, or come lower like this, break this low, then from there we'll be going up. All right, so if that happens, if this one comes to this lower point, let's say to 618 of this move, if I take a fib of here now, if this comes to 618 of this move, if it comes to this point, then we should be expecting a very hard bounce. Okay, we should be expecting a very hard bounce. So that means that the market will be very aggressive on the positive side. Whenever you see a market, correcting in between a sharp move like this, all right, so it's in the midst of nowhere. All you need to wait is for this to complete. We've seen this, something like this. So let it complete here. There we go. So wait for this guy. Just wait. If you cannot wait, then just put your position here, guys. Put an buy position at this point in case if it's turning anywhere, because we might be expecting a kind of regular flat and the market will just tag here and go. Okay, so that is why you just need to wait. If market did not come to this point, guys, then the safest place for you to enter is to put in your entry position here. So as the market is going up, you are taking it. Now, the second alternative that might happen is whereby the market will just from here, starts doing like this and break this low. If it happens this way, then expect another sharp move up and the market start going down again. All right, so these are the two ways that we're expecting the market to play out today, because today most times on Sunday evening there will be a very sharp move in Bitcoin price. Okay, so we're expecting the one that will dominate, but currently I think over 80% we can say that the market will break out on this side. Okay, but let's just watch. It's not certain yet until it clears off here before we know. But now if it's breaking out here, are we going to break the all-time high? Well, probably it might happen. Okay, it might happen for one more time, because just as I told you before now, that if you come to 4 hours, okay, if you come to 4 hours, you've seen that this might be a B wave. This is a B wave. This is a B wave. Okay, so we've seen this, so we're expecting this to play out at least one more time before it drops. But 2 ways for you to invalidate: if eventually this market did not break out from here and actually break down and tag this low, it changes the whole structure, that any spike we are having, then expect the downfall. Okay, any spike we are having, expect the downfall, guys. So that is what we are looking at on Bitcoin. And for you as an investor, if you have bought Bitcoin since 30,000 and 29,000, you know, I think it's just time for you to take small profit. Yeah, just take a small profit and just wait for a clear structure, because the only time you make money or you lose money is when you buy or sell. All right, because if you don't buy, if you didn't sell, you've not made any money. All right, those paper money might turn to zero. All right, so that's just one thing that I need to be aware of. Okay, so that's just on Bitcoin. On the 15 minutes chart, just you can put this chart like this. Yeah, just wait. We are waiting for it to clear, and once it clears with a strong volume, guys, if it clears up here with a strong volume, then you might buy for the next move. All right, so if you take a look on Ethereum too, Ethereum chart on the 1 hour. Remember last time we were here, I told you that we are breaking down, we came down, okay, and now we are coming up like this. So we've seen that this is A, this is B, then after this is completed, one more drop is coming, guys. So you see from Ethereum chart, we can also conclude that Bitcoin will still drop. Okay, we can say that Bitcoin will still drop from Ethereum chart, because they all follow suit. All right, Bitcoin will still drop. So we're waiting for Ethereum to complete this move, guys, and drop like this. All right, so that's just on Ethereum. Let's take a look on this other coin, Solana. Okay, based on request, you see that this coin actually, you know, I told you guys, just watch our previous video when we were here. I told you guys that anytime, I think we are somewhere here now, then, and I say anytime it break this and consolidate, it's a very good time for you to buy. And until we bought here, and now we've seen this move happening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are we expecting for Solana? Well, is it going to break the all-time high? Maybe, probably. Yes, it's going to break the all-time high. Okay, but just watch and see if this is not a corrective structure, because it has given us this. I think this is a 2-wave, because this is a 3-wave, guys, because this one is smaller than this. So let's watch if it's dropping like this, but just believe you me that this is still gonna move beyond these numbers. Okay, but no, it's gonna move beyond these numbers, guys. Let's just watch and see. Okay, so Solana is, for now, we're expecting a deep correction, on the 4 hours, a deep correction on the 1 hour. It's not completed yet, guys, so let's watch and see. But if this thing happens, if it happens like this, then take it from me that it's breaking out entirely from this. It's breaking the all-time high and going far beyond that. So that's on Solana. Okay, so before we call it a day, let's just still look at this, our baby coin that we're nurturing, to see how far it can take us from here. So far we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is W, X, Y, X, Z. Okay, so I'm expecting a clear breakout on this channel for the move to really start. This is just a base. Okay, so we're expecting something like this, either a sharp sell-up and consolidates, it moves, or from here it moves out and consolidates, moves. So 2 things we're expecting. All right, that is on Tomo chain, guys. On Tomo chain, that's what we're expecting. All right, guys, so that's what we call it for a day. Don't forget to subscribe. Finally, let's look at BNB. BNB, you know, is making a lot of wave because of this pancake swap, stuff like that, you know. But looking at BNB now, you can see I'm expecting BNB to drop, okay, drop, come up again, drop before going up or coming down. Okay, this is what I'm expecting on BNB to play out, something like this, guys. Okay, and if you take a look on BNB from daily, you see that the market is just going in this kind of channel. All right, so and this channel most times they can be corrective. So but just wait, let's just wait and see how it plays out. If it drops here and push up again, if it didn't break this point and break this low, that means it's going to drop way more. But I doubt if BNB is going to drop that much, because you know a lot of project is hanging on BNB and it's getting a lot of trust now in the community. That is on the fundamental wise. So I strongly believe that BNB will do better than what it has done in the past, and that's why if you're an investor, I think you need to wait for these guys, because this is already stretched. Okay, wait for this. There will be a very deep pullback, a very deep correction like this. So wait for this before we are taking the next wave, guys. All right, guys, so thank you once again for your time, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.